Hey everyone, this is Rana.
And this is Scott.
And we're here from Workato's product marketing team. Summer's looking bright and sunny here in California, but at Workato, we're not out on vacation.
Our product team has been hard at work, so stay tuned to learn about all the latest updates released in July.
We usually start off with a recap of our past updates, but this month we have an exciting announcement. Our product, engineering, and design teams have been hard at work on some exciting updates to our recipe editor, and we're thrilled to share that the redesigned editor will be released in the coming weeks.
To learn more, join our next product hour session, where our team will walk through some of the updates that were made to drive faster recipe creation, improve navigation, give you more control, and foster collaboration. Stay tuned for more details regarding the recipe editor launch later in August.
Now back to the updates from this month.
This month is all about connectors. While Workato has over 400 connectors to the most popular apps and databases available for use, our customers have built over 8,000 connectors with our SDK. Hundreds of these custom connectors have been shared for anyone in our community to use, but previously it took a few steps to find and use them.
That's why we're excited to announce the launch of the connector community. Now, these custom connectors are easily discoverable in the same way you find native Workato connectors in the app directory. Custom connectors have their own pages that identify them as built by the Workato community, provide pre-built recipe templates to help you get started faster, and list the triggers and actions available, just like a native connector.
And installing is easy. Click into the app for detailed information like suggested use cases, the number of installs, and information about the developer. Then click Install Connector, review and accept the agreement, and you're ready to go. Once installed, you can start using the connector immediately.
Using a custom connector is exactly the same as using a native connector. Start building a recipe and select the application, just like you would for any connector.
The best part is if the custom connector doesn't have the exact functionality that you need, you can extend it by adding your own code. This gets you up and running faster as you don't need to build a connector from scratch. And once you've made your updates, pay it forward by sharing the updated connector on the community.
You can also search for custom connectors in the Workato app. Just go to Community Library, Custom Connectors, and search for the app that you want to connect to.
If you're a developer looking to share your custom connector with the community, you're just a few clicks away. Follow the link on screen to learn more about listing your app.
So Scott, you highlighted the Outreach connector, which was built by our community. I know some of these community connectors actually get built out as native connectors, available to everyone out of the box.
That's actually what happened with the Greenhouse connector we recently launched. The community had built an SDK connector for Greenhouse that was popular, so the product team took it on and made it into an out-of-the-box connector.
Greenhouse is an applicant tracking system that is popular with high-growth companies. By integrating with Greenhouse, HR and people ops teams have the ability to automate many of their time-consuming manual tasks, like screening profiles, scheduling interviews, and gathering interviewer feedback. Thanks to these automations, recruiters, hiring managers, and HR teams can focus more on finding the right fit for their teams and accelerate time to fill.
And we've made it easy to get started with pre-built recipe collections. If you are in people ops, HR, or work with them, check out the recipe collections to explore automations for recruiting and hiring.
Greenhouse is just one of many connectors we've released this month.
This month, we updated our SAP connector so it's simpler to set up, more flexible to install, and easier to use. You can check out our product blog to learn more about our new connectors for Ignite and to checkout.
That wraps it up for this month's updates. Thanks for tuning in. You can find more information over on our newly designed product hub at product.workato.com, along with past product updates, best practices, and upcoming webinars.
Hope to see you all in the next one.